When I started this YouTube channel back in 2011, there were just a handful of people that were recording their geocaching adventures for YouTube. So in 2012, I created the Geocaching Network. It was a hub where geocaching video creators could connect and encourage one another on this platform. When I found out that Geowoodstock would be Giga status, I thought now's the time to try to bring as many geocaching video creators all in one spot to meet up for a summit. We are at Shawnee Overlook Park. We are in the place of Ohio's oldest geocache, and we have over 20 geocaching video creators gonna descend right here. People that I've been watching for a long time that I'm gonna meet face to face. We have a lot of fun to do, but I just want to say thank you for everything that you guys do as far as putting out geocaching videos on a regular basis. So we know vlogging and geocaching takes a lot of time and effort, so thank you for the efforts that you make. I think it really does encourage and it helps grow the community. We are the representatives of the geocaching community to let everybody see how wonderful and how awesome our hobby is. So thank you so much for what you do, and thank you so much for showing up. Jamie, how are you? Look at everybody, it's Jamie. She said she had something for me. I think I know what it is.
It's cardboard!
Cardboard! I've always wanted cardboard.
I have no idea how far I had to go to get that.
Sweet cardboard. No, it's actually, can you open it up for me? Open it up, please. Jamie, oh my gosh, look at that. That is beautiful. Hayden is going to love that.
You're welcome, Hayden.
That is awesome. So cool. He loves the Switch game, the Breath of the Wild.
Yeah.
Awesome. We're gonna make sure that he gets it tomorrow. Thank you so much. This GeoVlogger Summit is international. We have French speakers from France. It's Yannick right here. We got Sumpuki right here, and the Bruce. So guys, what I think needs to happen right now is we need to do a we chant. A yes chant. Yeah. You up for it? Yeah. Let's do it. Oh, you guys. What? Yes. It's Geocaching Katie. Yes. How are you?
I'm really good. I'm excited.
This is the first time we met. We're here in the flesh together.
Yeah, it's so crazy.
Katie, I'm so happy to meet you because I can thank you because you gave me my favorite Christmas present of 2017. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope it looks okay because I thought it was like sloppy.
It wasn't sloppy. It was fantastic.
I'm glad you like it.
It's kind of haunted because it makes noises. Like, I don't know if
I couldn't tell you where that ammo can came from.
Really?
I had no idea.
Because I think the pressure might be different in Minnesota because it like makes noises every once in a while.
Oh my God.
It is so creepy.
Yeah, it came from the attic, so.
What are you most excited about this weekend for
I think
America?
People.
Meeting people.
Yeah, because you know, I geocache alone a lot, so I hardly ever like actually see people, and when I do, I'm like, oh my God, that's a geocacher.
I know, right? All right, friends, we did enough talking. Now we're gonna go geocaching. You guys ready to go geocaching? Woo! Yeah! Katie.
Yes.
Do you think we're gonna find it?
I don't know.
We've got a few people to help out.
I think probably maybe not.
Okay. No? Katie, there might be spiders and there might be bugs up there. She's gone! Katie, I want you to use your super stealth skills. Dun, dun. Yep. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Did you find it? There it is. I checked here and here, but not here. Good job, Katie. I'm glad you were along. Hey, it's a vlogger. High five in the middle of the trail. Hey, hey. Sir.
Put this on you because
give me your name tag.
A pretty face.
Give me your name tag.
A cache builder.
Oh.
There's your claim to fame. Hey, hold it. Do I hear angels?
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
See, now
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Amen.
I feel so inspired. I'm gonna build a smart cache right now.
You know, you could be more than a pretty face.
I know I could.
You could be a
I know.
geocache builder.
I know I could be.
There you go. You
Finally.
You want to keep my name tag?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. See my shells? Josh. See my shells? The Aussie geocacher. The vlogger. It's like my Australian counterpart.
Yeah, exactly.
Right here in the flesh. Fantastic. How are you doing?
I'm good, mate. I'm good.
Oh my
Very
gosh.
good.
He made it all the way over here from Australia for the Geovlogger Summit for Geowoodstock. What are your thoughts right now? What are you feeling? You just experienced the Geovlogger Summit.
Oh, and more importantly, I experienced chili for the first time.
Really?
Oh, yes. I'll see how that ends later on tonight.
Yeah, right?
My goodness.
I know.
Wow, this is a beautiful weather, fantastic weather.
Beautiful.
Great
Beautiful.
caching. I did
Yes.
some West Virginia Tim caches as well.
Fantastic.
Oh, the
Yeah.
geocaching community, fantastic, so supportive and
Friendly.
so yeah,
Good.
friendly, so friendly.
hear.
Yeah, loving it, loving
Good
it.
to hear. Well, I'm so excited to meet you. If you have not checked out his videos, I'll put the eye in the sky right there. But you're gonna close this video out, and because you're one of the best geovloggers to close something out. So take it away. Close us out.
This is See My Shells. I'm the Aussie Geocacher along with Joshua, the geocaching vlogger. We're over and out.